Welcome mga bossing! Welcome to Boy Boss channel, and we have some
check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Welcome to Boy Boss channel. This time is mail day. So we have a short unboxing. Tara mga bossing, buksan na natin to. Here you go. So we got some story for this is nung may nagpost nito sa sa Facebook group at medyo nainggit tayo. Hindi, medyo naging curious lang sa item na to. So, and kaya pindot-pindot agad sa eBay at ito ang nakita natin. At luckily, it's from Mandarake. So, let's go. Tara. Bubuksan na natin to. At, ayan. Sa laki ng box niya, parang ang laki ng laman. So, but I really have no idea kung gaano talaga kalaki ang laman nito. So, yeah, ayan. Ayan na siya. So, ganda. Ready na ba kayo mga bossing? Tara, ito na. Oops. At sa inyo, hindi ko malaman gaano kalaki laman nito. Hopefully may laman. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun. Nasa sulok. So, ito ay isang Tomica. Here you go. So, syempre, ayan siya. Nice. I am sure mga bossing, ma-identify nyo ang design nito. So, this is the flag of Philippines. So, yan, ang design niya. So, flag of the Philippines. So, ayan. Tara, silipin natin ang loob. Here you go. Wow, nice. So, we got the 3 stars and a sun. So, ayan. Tomica. So, yeah, mga bossing. So, so this one is made in Vietnam. 2002. So yan, bali, this is the model of the Toyota 2000 GT. So naging patok yung nito nung i-release nila yung mga naka-wrap siya sa dito sa mga flag. So this is Apita and Piago. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right. Just comment down below if I'm saying it wrong. So yeah. So yan, the Toyota 2000 GT. So naging hit to nung i-release yung yung ang balot niya is American flag. So, I think that's the most expensive version of this one now. I think they released it 2002. So, and then, yeah, tumami na yung So, flag of the world edition ito. So, this will become one of the famous line ng Tomica. So, yeah, there you go, mga bossing. And see you on the next episode. So, thank you for watching. Peace out.